Let me hear it. Yeah, it's been a while, man, since we had a little cruise like this. We had a couple Mustangs, a couple of Chargers. We're actually heading out right now. It's pretty exciting, pretty different than the usual, I guess, vlog or video I do for you guys here. They actually invited us to be a part of a music video, and they asked to borrow our cars to be in the background. No leaning on it. They're not gonna be driving them. They just wanted them simply as like a background prop. So we're just gonna hang out there. It's at a taco place and just have fun and chill. That thing is amazing, guys. I'm someone who likes obnoxious like exhaust, and like Art's Boss Man is the right exhaust for me. Waiting here.
So the slowest one kept you all behind, huh?
Yeah. I've got to put it in 6, bro.
What's up, man? Howard, what's going on? Hey, bro.
If you subscribe to George, make sure to unsubscribe.
Oh, hey, bro. Hey, that was all Art, man. That wasn't me.
Well, they set up everything for the music video. We got the crew here. Gonna give you guys a walk around of the pack. We got Mike's 5.0 here. He's lowered and has wheels. I think it's a staggered setup. We got some 19s on there with the Brembo brakes up front. Pretty stock other than that. You guys know Barney. A few cosmetic mods. Got some wheels from, I think it's a Laguna Seca Boss. Got Eleanor Louvers. Ralph's chin spoiler. He's also lowered. He's also got the wicker bill with the California Special Diffuser and RTR deck lid in the rear, and we have a random V6 over here as well. He's not part of us, but cars are always welcome, guys. Of course, we got Art's Boss right here. Y'all seen this one before. Pretty loud. Man, look at the Nittles, man. The 555Rs, crazy. New wheels. I told you guys last time what happened, man. Every time he floors the Stang, it squats and it messes up all his fender, man. Terrible. Super low mileage. I think he has like 10K miles on this thing. 2013. Of course, we got Havoc S550, George's 5.0, Pro Charge, Kona Blue, on bags. He's not aired out right now, but he's got them Boston wheels on there. He's got, I think it's the 13-14 style tail lights. I can see right there, Havoc. Got a quad tips. I think this is the MP Concepts wing, and he has the top half of the car wrapped on. Not wrapped, it's actually painted black. So pretty cool, man. Pretty unique. George always has this thing from being like different from everybody, and that's one way to do it. Oh, check these out, guys. These are our decals for the pack. A lot of these guys are WWE fans, and the whole thing is like the Wolfpack, the NWO stuff. If you know, you know. Pretty cool decal, man. We have it right here in the windshield. We got Gio's 5.0 as well. I think he just might have an exhaust and the cowl hood. I think he has a lot of stuff coming soon. I think he wants to like supercharge it or bag it as well. So things are coming to Gio's, man. And we got the Mopar boys. I believe Sergio is full bolt-on, headers, tune, everything. He's not lowered. He's got I think it's with the Hellcat wheels on there, the replicas. Got some carbon fiber matte black stripes across the car, tinted tail light, and a carbon fiber diffuser installed by your boy right here. And he has that special license plate back there. You all know Hector's as well. You all know everybody, man, but this is Hector's 5.0. It's got the red interior, his Brom seats. He's lowered, has some SVE wheels, Team SV right here. Look at that red interior, pretty clean. He has the wing that a lot of people want but can't get anymore because they are discontinued. It's a massive wing, man. And those 5-inch tips right there. Nothing too special right here. Looking clean. Rocking the decal. Still haven't washed it from last time. We got paw marks there. And we got Luis's Scat Pack as well. He has these cool, you know, oh, there he is. He knew it. He knew I did it. He has those cool, like the RTR, those little, I don't know what you call it, the grill lights. They made them for the Charger for those. I think they call them the gills. So pretty cool. There you go. He's just showing them off again. He's got those. He's got some carbon fiber stripes across and a wicker bill in the rear. That's pretty much And another carbon fiber diffuser installed by me once again. Y'all hear it? Guys, look at this behemoth, man. He ain't gonna finish it. He ain't gonna finish it.
$100.
Bets.
I'll bet. Si me lo como, compro un Starbucks.
Se la acaba.
Look at this thing, guys. Hey, but you gotta finish everything.
Todo el platillo.
Everything.
Todo
I
el
don't want
plato.
nothing left on the plate. What happened? Finish. Hey, who was betting on Hector?
Yo no.
¿Estás solo? Starbucks. Hey guys, pretty badass, man. It's the first time it's ever happened to me. That was a subscriber just like first time recognized me here like in public, man. So what's your name, bro?
Norberto González.
Norberto, you have a Mustang? I mean,
Yeah.
you have an Instagram?
Yeah. No.
No. This guy has 2 Mustangs. He said, what, an S197 too?
Yeah.
Badass,
2012.
man.
Yeah, exactly the same color, man. Now a 2000. I have a 2000 Mustang.
Let's look at everybody's reaction. Hey bro, just in case the cop.
Call him. Somebody call him. Somebody call him.
Tell him to turn. Tell him to hide. Who's calling? Everybody's calling him.
Voltea, güey, para donde
There's a
quiera,
cop. Tell him to
güey.
hide.
There's a cop.
PD. Vente al Whataburger.
Okay.
Yeah, so Art tried flooring it right now out of the corner, and there was like a cop, like a couple cars down right at the other side of the light. So we're calling them to like go hide in the neighborhood or something, man, because they turn on the lights and they're going after them.
He just turned them on, like, aquí estoy. So, just watch out, dude.
Way better than George's Boston wheels. Way better than George's wheels. That's it. I'm going 84s on mine.
I cannot. I cannot.
I'm
On swing.
I'm going Paul Wall on that shit. So I don't think I've gone over what's going on right now. They invited us to a music video shoot right now, this local rapper, and he wanted our cars. He knows the group. Well, we actually went to high school with him, so he knows that we're into cars. We hadn't talked in a while, but he just remembered and he sees our post. So he reached out to us and he's like, hey man, do you think you can like help me out and have some of your friends, some of the cars to show up to the video shoot? All he needed us to do is just to be in the background shot while he's like rapping in the video, cruise by, which is what we're doing right now. We're actually lined up. They're gonna give us a sign and we're gonna go ahead and just drive by wherever they're recording. It's like an actual full recording set with like lights and like gimbals and stuff like that, so it should be a pretty good turnout. I don't think the video is gonna be ready for another like month or so, whenever it does come out, God willing, I'll go ahead and just try to show you guys like a highlight or whatever and put it in one of the future videos. I know we're not recording for Drake or anything like that, but it's something new, something different out of the norm that we usually do. Right guys, your boy's about to be famous. They're asking us just to cruise right now. Right here, this is actual like a taqueria place, legit. People are eating, but we're getting filmed during this whole process right here. I think that just wraps it up, guys. We're done. They just wanted us to drive by a few times. We had our car stationed. They recorded that stuff with him rapping. Pretty cool. I couldn't like record too much of the whole scene because his video is gonna get posted on YouTube, but I can show you guys like small highlights and stuff. And I'm about to get run over by this freaking boat behind me. But make sure guys to subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. Make sure to drop a like, guys, and I'll catch you on the next one. God bless.